Svalbard challenges the notion of human dominance. Its jagged peaks and deep fjords embody a wildness beyond human influence. Every crack in the ice and each gust of wind narrates a story of survival. Here, endurance is not merely a matter of strength, but of attunement to the world's rhythms. The silence resonates with the sounds of ancient ice and distant wildlife. Traveling through Svalbard is not simply a journey across frozen ground. It is an immersion in the workings of nature. As I traverse this stark landscape, a quiet tension pervades, and the Earth's pulse echoes beneath my feet. At any moment, the wild may assert itself. A polar bear may appear, the ice may fracture, or the northern lights may illuminate the sky. Each experience prompts reflection on the interconnectedness of life, existence, and the environment. Confronting the unknown here clarifies my place within this beautiful yet unforgiving land. The residents of Svalbard lead distinctive lives, moving with deliberation and planning their days around shifting weather and natural cycles. Living here requires more than presence. It demands respect and attentiveness to the land. Even basic tasks, such as collecting water or preparing meals, are shaped by the harsh conditions. Daily routines acquire significance, and every decision matters because the environment always responds. This is a place where people and nature must achieve equilibrium. Svalbard's inhabitants feel a profound connection to their home, aware that each day may bring new challenges from weather or wildlife. Their narratives are inseparable from the land, illustrating resilience amid adversity. With limited resources, they have cultivated a way of life that honors the Arctic's unpredictability, drawing on knowledge passed down through generations. They collect rainwater, utilize solar panels during periods of sunlight, and depend on mutual support. Each sunrise brings hope, yet also serves as a reminder of the ever-present winter. In this demanding environment, laughter, hardship, and local traditions shape a lifestyle that remains acutely aware of its surroundings. The animals of Svalbard are integral to survival, both for themselves and for the human population. Polar bears, emblematic of the Arctic's untamed spirit, roam freely and underscore that humans do not govern this realm. Encounters with these animals reinforce nature's primacy. Residents adapt their routines to coexist safely with these formidable creatures. The balance between people and wildlife is delicate and continually evolving. With each season, the community honors life cycles and demonstrates respect for the land and its fauna, recognizing that harmony arises from understanding. Their way of life exemplifies resilience and underscores the interconnectedness of all elements in the Arctic. Community is vital in Svalbard, uniting individuals through shared purpose and mutual respect. Evenings are spent around fires, exchanging stories about the land. Narratives of survival and perseverance uplift spirits amid the harsh landscape. These gatherings foster strong bonds, providing comfort and warmth. Laughter reverberates through the night, reminding everyone of their collective strength. Together, they confront the changing seasons and support one another through adversity. The resilience of Svalbard's people is mirrored in the land itself. The persistent wind and expansive icy terrain diminish any illusion of permanence. Yet tranquility emerges from embracing nature's realities. Each day reveals new beauty and unexpected events, requiring constant vigilance and harmony with the environment. Life here is not about exerting control, but about learning to coexist with nature. In Svalbard, every interaction is part of an ongoing dialogue between people and the ice. When the sun finally rises during the brief summer, it illuminates the landscape and reveals hidden details. Remnants of shipwrecks, delicate polar flowers, and tracks left by seals and reindeer. This fleeting warmth revitalizes the land, and residents maximize every moment of sunlight. Drawing on ancestral knowledge, they gather resources and remain vigilant, ever mindful of nearby wildlife. Each venture outdoors reaffirms nature's cadence, and every communal gathering highlights the profound connection between life, light, and the unpredictable Arctic. As winter returns, people fortify their homes against the cold and gather indoors for shared meals and storytelling. These communal moments foster resilience and connection, even as isolation intensifies. Svalbard is not solely about survival, it is about discovering ways to flourish within the Arctic's formidable embrace. Life here persists amid uncertainty, demonstrating that true strength lies in harmonious coexistence with the wild. Every heartbeat aligns with nature, reminding us of the fragility of our place in this world. Subscribe to Atlas tab for cinematic journeys into Earth's most untouched places. Svalbard challenges every preconceived notion of dominion. The landscape, with its jagged peaks and deep fjords, signifies a rawness that cannot be molded by human hands. It is a realm where every crack in the ice, every shift of the wind, tells a story of resilience and struggle. In this wilderness, one learns that survival is not merely about endurance, but about understanding the rhythms of the world around us. Here, the silence is filled with the whispers of ancient ice and the distant calls of wildlife navigating their terrain. The journey through Svalbard is not just a passage across frozen lands, it's an initiation into the dance of nature itself. As you traverse this stark beauty, the air is filled with an invisible tension, where the heartbeat of the earth resonates beneath your feet. You become acutely aware that around every corner lies the unpredictability of the wild, an encounter with a polar bear, the sudden cracking of ice, or the serene beauty of the aurora dancing overhead. Each moment invites reflection, forcing you to confront the delicate thread that connects life, existence, and the environment. Embrace the unknown, for within it lies a deeper understanding of our place in this exquisite yet unforgiving wilderness. The settlers of Svalbard, though few, carry the weight of a unique existence. They move with a cautious intent, mapping their days around the ever-changing climate and the rhythms dictated by their natural surroundings. To live here is not merely to occupy space, but to engage in a relationship defined by respect and awareness. Every task, from fetching water to preparing meals, reflects the harsh requirements of this wild landscape. The experience transforms routine into ritual, where even the simplest acts resonate with purpose. Here, each decision carries its consequences, as the land always demands a response. A reminder of the delicate balance between humanity and nature's sovereign authority. The inhabitants of Svalbard exhibit a profound connection with their home, understanding that each day could bring new challenges dictated by the whims of weather and wildlife. Their stories often intertwine with the land and climate, illuminating how resilience thrives in the face of hardship. With minimal resources, the settlers have crafted a life that honors the unpredictability of the Arctic, relying on historic knowledge passed through generations. They harvest rainwater, use solar panels to harness fleeting sunlight, and find strength in community bonds, forming a collective that neither fears nor defies the powerful forces surrounding them. Every sunrise brings hope, but it also serves as a reminder of the persistent icy grip of winter lurking just beyond the horizon. In this intense environment, laughter, hardship, and local traditions echo across icy landscapes, weaving a tapestry of life that resides in full awareness of its surroundings. The wildlife of Svalbard shapes the very essence of survival here, not just for the creatures that roam freely, but also for the settlers who share this land. Polar bears, symbolizing the untamed spirit of the Arctic, roam with an air of authority, reminding humans that they are not the apex beings. Encountering these magnificent animals is not just a chance to witness their majesty, it is a chance to witness nature's laws in action. The settlers learn to navigate their lives with keen awareness, making space for powerful wild creatures. The balance is delicate, and it constantly shifts, as residents adapt their routines to account for the presence of these formidable predators. With each passing season, they celebrate the cycles of life, holding a deep respect for the land and its inhabitants, knowing that harmony is achieved through understanding. Their coexistence speaks volumes about resilience and mirrors the intricate interconnectedness that defines the Arctic wilderness. In this Arctic realm, community is vital, binding the settlers together in shared purpose and mutual respect. Evenings often gather the weary and the hopeful around crackling fires, where stories of the land's secrets weave through thick air. Tales of survival and endurance echo against the ice, nourishing spirits against the backdrop of unforgiving landscapes. These moments forge connections, uniting hearts amid the vastness of nature, offering warmth and solace. Here, laughter serves as a lifeline, echoing through the night, reminding everyone that even in solitude, they are never truly alone. Together, they navigate the seasons of frost and thaw, weathering the storm of reality hand in hand. In the heart of Svalbard, the settlers' resilience is mirrored in their surroundings. The wind howls, a constant reminder of the challenges they face, while the icy expanse stretches towards the horizon, almost mocking any attempts at permanence. Yet amidst all this, there exists a tranquility that comes from accepting the rhythms of nature. Each day unfolds with fierce beauty and unpredictable twists, requiring a sharp intuition that only deep familiarity can cultivate. The environment urges them to remain vigilant, alert to the shifts in the air and the sounds that carry across the wilderness. Life thrives here not through control, but through an intricate understanding of coexistence, where acknowledging one's place in the natural hierarchy becomes paramount. In Svalbard, every element speaks, and every moment is a dialogue between humans and the unforgiving ice. As the sun rises lazily over the horizon during the brief summer months, it bathes the land in a golden hue, revealing once hidden details, torn remnants of a shipwreck, the delicate blooms of polar flowers, and the tracks of seals and reindeer. This fleeting warmth ignites life, prompting the settlers to venture outside, keen to absorb every precious moment of light. Equipped with knowledge passed down through generations, they gather supplies while mindful of their surroundings, acutely aware of the silent eyes watching from the edge of the ice. Each expedition becomes a purposeful reminder of nature's rhythm, where human effort intertwines with the land's heartbeat, and every gathering underscores the delicate connection fostered between life, light, and the unpredictable Arctic. As winter descends upon Svalbard, the settlers fortify their homes against the chilling embrace of the Arctic night. The biting cold seeps in, and every window becomes a barrier against nature's relentless advancement. Gathered around homemade meals, stories of the past mingle with current struggles, strengthening their resolve and nurturing bonds that withstand the onslaught of isolation. Svalbard encapsulates the essence of not just surviving, but thriving within the relentless embrace of the Arctic. Here, life flourishes amidst uncertainty, teaching us that true strength lies not in dominance, but in harmony with the wild. It is a world where every heartbeat reverberates with the pulse of nature, inviting us to reflect on our fragile existence within it. Subscribe to Atlas Tab for cinematic journeys into Earth's most untouched places.